Yesterday when we were done with the bathroom, this is what it looked like. And this is what it ended up looking like at the end of the day. Hang around and see how we did it. Well, hello, welcome to Vlogmas day 31. We are working in the bathroom. I should say Rob. Rob's the one working in the bathroom. And he also started this turkey stock. Again, using up stuff from the freezer. So if you are new to Vlogmas with us, welcome. I mean, you made it for the last day. That's awesome. You should go back and look at the other ones that we've done. But we are getting ready to move. So that's what our Vlogmas is all about. Welcome. Hang in there with us today. That was Rob cutting a piece of trim for the bathroom. So he's really rocking it. And I'm also going to be getting some more boxes, dropping stuff off at Goodwill, looking for a valance for our bathroom. Rob and Jason are gonna go to the dump today. We just got a lot of things going on. So, hey, welcome to Vlogmas. Just trying to get it to fit. And then how are you gonna work around that hose thingy?
You'll see this.
You just drill a hole in it?
Drill a hole in it, but I'm also thinking about putting a little piece of trim in there too.
Maybe it would just be better to split that trim right at the bottom of that curve, just straight down, and then you put in two pieces. We realized that that piece of trim should have gone in first before the others. Our toilet is back online. We are ready for the Goodwill. It looks like everybody has decided to take all of their stuff to Goodwill today. Let's see if we can't find a valance. That'll do. Wow.
Simple, clean, white, elegant.
Looks awesome.
Something like that, dude.
Nice. It looks really good, babe. We're gonna put trim right there and rip up those carpets. Leave it too snug. And so I was like, oh, maybe they'd look cute flipped around. So I flipped them around and they did look cute. So I washed them and dried them and hung them up.
Oh, so those are like used?
Yeah, I got them at Goodwill for $6.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Talking about these. I know they're upside down, but that's okay. So the water's on? So the water's on now? Sweet. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty.
It's white, a little sterile, but that's clean.
Yeah. Looks good.
I don't know what else we can put in here, babe.
I think this is good. I mean, we'll get that thingy, the medicine chest.
So it goes down in the way of flow. That is you.
Fits together like magic. You have the right size. And that's it?
Okay, is the water off and the handles are tight?
Yeah. You turning the water back on now? Still nothing?
Okay.
Want me to turn it
Twist
on?
the screen off. Yeah, twist the, no, it goes the other way. You always want to take that out when you first start the water again.
Oh yeah?
And the reason why is you have any sediment, sand, filter.
Oh,
stuff
it'll
like
get
that.
stuck in that little screen.
It'll screw up the screen. Okay, hit the little rubber thing there. Try to make sure it doesn't fall out. It'll come out.
Okay.
Put it off to the side, not down the drain.
Okay.
Go ahead and open one of the valves slowly.
Sounds so funny.
Look.
Ooh.
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down.
It's getting a little splattery.
Okay.
Okay. That was the hot water.
Okay, go ahead and turn on the cold water, and you're going to get little purges again.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm feeling the things down here as you're doing that. Turn it off.
Okay.
Okay, and put the screen back on.
No leaks.
No leakies.
Sweet. Okay, and then it goes back on, but it goes opposite is what you would think, right? Okay.
Turn the hot up.
Very nice.
Turn on the cold.
You want them both on at the same time?
Yep.
Looks dry. feel good?
Mm-hmm. Done.
Cool. So it's continuing to fill.
Mm-hmm.
But the weird thing about it is you have to put your hand inside, right?
Mm-hmm. It's blocks over there with the screws.
Cool. Just looks nice and clean. Can we have it open the other direction?
What?
Can we have it open the other direction?
Seriously?
Yeah, because how are we supposed to tilt the mirror to check our hair and whatnot? Thanks. I know, it might not make sense to you, but see? I can see myself. Need me to hold anything?
No, I didn't think we were going this way with it, so it's a little surprise. But okay.
But it's exactly the same, right?
Yeah, I mean, you can go either way with it. I'm just...
We also managed to pack things and to get some more moving boxes. Not for free this time, but pretty cheap. Okay, friends, this is the end of Vlogmas. This is day 31. It's all done. Our bathroom is almost all done. We still need to caulk like the back of the sink and around the trim, but that's it. Whew. All right, so after this one, you probably won't see me for a week or so. I try to get out a video every week, but we're really busy, and I have to tell you, it's been hard to get out a video every day. I will try, okay? I will do my best, and you do your best. Make sure that you subscribe and like these videos, and comment. That really helps our channel grow. All right, I will see you in the next one. Bye. I'm just about ready to get ready for bed in my new bathroom, and I am very excited. If you would like to be part of our Christmas card exchange or on our mailing list, please write us or send us a card.